the first time around, and he joins us now. Congressman, this is obviously something that was front and center for you for quite some time, and you chose to immediately respond to the brother's tweet over the weekend, and you said what?
Well, I told him, unfortunately, when I became the chairman of the Oversight Committee, I continued the baton that was started by Darrell Issa and some really good staff work. And as we did that, when Attorney General Sessions came into place, I went to the Department of Justice and I met with him and talked to him about this topic. Unfortunately, the Attorney General said no, he wasn't going to reopen it, that he wasn't going to give us the documents, and consequently, the House of Representatives, via the Oversight Committee, is still in court these many years later trying to get the documents that Congress deserves.
Did you ask him why he won't turn these over or reopen the investigation?
You have an Attorney General in Eric Holder who was held in contempt the first time in the history of the United States regarding this topic. You have an Attorney General now in a deep state there at the Department of Justice. Nothing has changed. When you issue a subpoena from, say, the special counsel Mueller, everybody jumps. They're afraid of going to jail. When Congress issues a subpoena, whether it's the Intel Committee or the Oversight Committee, yeah, maybe they'll consider it, but nothing happens. And so still we're in court trying to extract these documents that the Terry family should see.
But what's the reasoning being provided as to why they will not turn those documents over so the family can have some answers as to what led to their loved one's death?
Is a closed case. The United States Congress has jurisdiction. We've been asking for these documents, and the Department of Justice is saying no. We think it's probably because it's very embarrassing to them, but that doesn't mean that we as Congress don't get to see them, that the American people and the family itself doesn't get to see them. It really is infuriating. It is absolutely a double standard because they will not turn those documents over,
so can
even
the
in a Trump
do
administration.
Can the president act on this and
sure,
change that?
Absolutely.
Do you think he will?
Absolutely. Well, he was the constitutionally elected officer. He doesn't have an arm's length distance with the Department of Justice. He helps run the Department of Justice. If President Trump really wanted to do this, it would be done, or it should be done. And you have an Attorney General who has no backbone. I've been saying this for a long time. He needs to go. He does not get these things done. How is Fast and Furious still an issue? I mean, they're still in the courts. Won't turn the documents over.
So what do you say to this slain Border Patrol